Um, Hi, Joan. Let's start with the feature of a daily reminder. So for that, we have actually enabled one configuration. So let's go with that one. How to configure a daily reminder for any object if you would like to have it. So for that, we have to just go on a setting level. We have to go on a setting level. Under technical menu, we are having global reminder. So when we hit on a global reminder, you will see on a staging server, we have already configured the one. Let's go with that one so that I can explain how the other configuration will work. Basically, this is a name and that is nothing but your email's subject line so that you can set it up anything which you want. Then second thing is you have to choose the object. Like object is nothing but a flow. Like if I would like to have a reminder, daily reminder for my leads off. So I have to select that object. So that I will do it from here. So I actually go for CRM and it will show up. It will show me that object. So when I select it, it will automatically take their technical name. Uh, Now whatever is data, like whatever reminder I would like to have it, I would like to have that contained inside my body, inside of my mail body. So I have just put it as my list in a mail body. So whatever is the message is about or whatever is reminder is about, all the content will be a part of my body. Then I can also have it in an Excel format, but that I make it as a disable. Then provide a link. Provide a link. It means on a that email content, I will get a link uh, to that respective record. So whenever I'm receiving an email, I can actually hit on a link and I can redirect that particular record from my email body itself. Then filter based on a domain on period, domain and period, or it will be domain or period. So what that means, like it is a filter record. So filter record based on a data. You will have multiple options. From there you can select a best combination on which you would like to have a reminder. For example, as you explained me, you would like to have a daily reminder call based on whatever is whatever lead ops has been registered into the system on a last date, that has to be emailed on a next day to your sales manager. So for that, what what kind of reminder I'm going to set it up? So what I will do is created leads on a last date. So when I actually go, I will have multiple date options as a parameter or as a filter parameter over here. So whatever date fields are there built up into my particular model, like particular object, that do all those date fields will be visible over here. So I can actually choose any one, like whether I would like to whatever is uh, created yesterday. That means I would like to check create date. If I would like to see whatever is updated yesterday, I have to choose this option, last modified date. But now I don't want last modified date. I would like to have it create date. So I'm going to choose that one. So last date means what has happened on your past. If you say next, next means that means like next when you are going to use that next option. It is something that whenever you might have a follow up. So or due date will be within next week if something is having going to be due. So that date you have to choose, like bid receive date, bid due date, for example. So whatever is going to be due in next week, I would like to see that. So from today, I would like to see in a future 5 days, what are the leads are going to be due. So from choosing this kind of option, I can make those things. So it will actually give me a date parameter. But now my requirement is different than this. So I'm going to alter this record. So my create date is last 1 day, and that interval time can be day, weeks, or month or years. Then including current, like today's date or today's month or today's week. So that I can do it from here. So this is my filtering records. Then while you are filtering, you might need to have a filter option, like not only days, but also I would like to see uh, uh, opportunity of, like for example, I would like to see opportunity of a different customer only, or salesperson only, or active opportunities only, or the one like are from this city, or from like whatever XYZ condition you might want to see. The one which is created yesterday, but along with that, I would like to add multiple parameters. So those parameter I can do it from here, and that is also very easy. Like you can select from any field, any particular option, and those all these options are available on your CRM screen. So the one which is visible, and as well as not visible, but like you can easily set it up based on using this filters option. Once you have this, like filter records and filters, you can now go and set it up your particular fields view. It means your email body. So what you are going to set it up into your email body is what is like your particular column, like which column you would like to see. I would like to see opportunity name, so I have choose opportunity name. Then I would like to see a customer name. I would like to see who is the customer, and sorry, who is the salesperson. And then I would like to see from which country that those leads are entered into my system. So that I have set it up, like it will give me a number of columns that I can set it up, and you can choose any numbers over there. So that way you can have it in your mail body whenever they are sending us a mail. These are the these are the data they are going to send it to us, and then we will actually add some body that will be always there into my email box. So once I'm having this, this is something like when I would like to have this reminder. So I would like to have this reminder a daily basis. That's the reason I have just like repeat on every day. If I would like to have it this particular reminder on a weekly basis, so that I can set it up over here, like first week or which day of week. Then I can have it like month. So these are the combination which you can set it up. But right now I would like to set up for a daily basis. So I have just set it up these things. And this is how you will actually configure a reminder. Once we configure a reminder, there will be a second option where I will go, and on a preference level, I can actually subscribe for this reminder. So that you will come to know from here. So if I will, there will be multiple reminder, I can actually go and subscribe it for that reminder. That make it enable for me, like every day I will receive a email for this particular activity. So this is how you will actually subscribe it. Let me just show you one more time. You just have to go for administration, like on every user level. Because I'm an admin panel, I'm going to show you by this way. Like there is another way to do it, but yeah, this is the most preferable way, that administrator preferences and application. So here you will go and select the reminder. Like yeah, I would like to have this reminder. So whatever is configured under this reminder will get received, whether it will be on a weekly or on a daily. So that you have to, because it is mentioned, that is the reason we just mention it into subject of that particular email, that it is a daily reminder. If you are actually configure a weekly reminder, you just go and select that weekly reminder. That will send you a weekly update about that particular email. And then once you configure it on a daily basis, it will send you an email. So whatever lead are entered into the system will come to you in an email as a body, and it will be visible like this. So this is what something we have done as a testing purpose, and this is dynamic, so that you can actually go and configure for all the other elements as well. Like you can also see whatever is created on a yesterday, whatever the sale, what are the sales order has been created on a yesterday, that you can see it from. So these are the features we have included onto our daily reminder. So thank you.